In this video, I'll show you how to connect your computer to your Sony AV receiver using Bluetooth. This way, if you're watching a movie on your computer or simply listening to music, all the sound will come out from, well, the speakers attached to your AV receiver. So let's get started right away. The first step is to put your receiver into Bluetooth pairing mode, and there's many ways on how you can do this. You can do it directly on the receiver itself, or you can use the remote control. Make sure it's turned on, and over here you're going to find a Bluetooth button. You can simply press on it once and it will enter pairing mode. You will know pairing mode is on because this blue light is also flashing. If you have the remote control, you can enter pairing mode simply by pressing the pairing button right over here. It's the same exact thing. Once this is enabled, let's go on the computer. Here I'll do this example with a PC computer, but you can do the same with a Mac. So on a Windows computer, you're going to go on the lower right side, and usually you see the Bluetooth logo over here. If you don't see it, click the arrow and it should appear. Click on the Bluetooth logo and then select Add Bluetooth Device. If you are on a Mac, go on the control panel. Usually there's a button on the top right corner, and then you're going to see Bluetooth and you'll be able to add a new device. So once you're over here on your PC, all you have to do is to click Add Device, select the first option, Bluetooth, wait, and your AV receiver should appear. My model is the STRDH590, so I just have to click on it. It will say connecting, and usually in 3 seconds, here we go, it says connected. Now you can go ahead, launch your favorite TV show, listen to some music and enjoy.